I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search for Tripetto Form. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select Action CompanyHub. Give here the subdomain and API key. So please visit the CompanyHub subdomain and API key. Generate API key. Give here a meaningful name. Done. Copy the API key and subdomain. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the CompanyHub site and contact. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the CompanyHub site. Thanks for watching.